Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a turtle cake. Now, this particular cake was originally requested from one of my viewers. His name is Byron, and he originally wanted it for his birthday back in April. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it done on time for his birthday, but at least it's better late than never, right? So this is for you, Byron. I'm sorry I missed your birthday. Maybe next time you can tell me in like January what you would like in April. Maybe I'll get it done on time then. But I really appreciate you, and happy birthday really late. Let's get started. This is an 8-inch spice cake filled and frosted with French buttercream. Both recipes to follow. I begin by trimming the cake and carving it into the general shape of a turtle shell. And I frosted the cake as smooth as I could get it. And I cleaned up the cake board. Just for good measure, I frosted it again. Then I rolled out some dark green / brown colored fondant. And I covered the top of the cake with it. Then I rolled out a long strip of fondant, cut one side straight, and wrapped the strip around the cake. And I trimmed the fondant as close to the fondant on the top as I could. I molded a head, tail, and 4 fins, making this a sea turtle. Then I mixed some fondant with a bit of white and rolled it into a long strip and wrapped it around the turtle shell. Turtle shells have a ring around their shell that looks different than the rest of the shell, so this was on purpose. I also wanted it to hang over the edge of the turtle a bit. Then I used a Dresden tool to carve the turtle shell shape. I did not try to smooth the slight folds in the fondant because turtle shells are not always regular. It has irregularities. Then I added creases into the line around the outside of the shell. And I added a face to the turtle.
added some reptile scales with a round piping tip. Finally, I painted some brown food coloring mixed with clear alcohol all over the turtle. And I took the time to remove the paint off the cake board with a wet paintbrush. I think this cake turned out adorable. I actually had a pet turtle when I was a child, so this reminds me of it. Happy very belated birthday, Byron. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.